Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the
Guys, welcome back to my channel, Glam Arni. So in this video, makakasama ko ngayon si Jorilyn and si Sir.
Yunar.
Anong ginagawa natin dito, Sir?
Aba, siyempre, matingin-tingin sa mga magagandang mga view dito sa White Heaven Resort. At saka, para ma-feel natin yung Sarbay, siyempre last night na po, kaya namnamin na natin.
Shoutout muna guys sa friend ko from Davao, William Asbury. Please subscribe to his channel, Philippines On Demand. And to my friend Devi, Princess Devi Live. Please subscribe po kayo, and then shoutout sa mga friends mo, Sir.
Pa-shoutout naman ako sa mga friends ko sa Gensan, mga katrabaho ko sa hospital, sa CVI Center.
Ayan. And sa'yo?
And also to my team Hilas, nandito muna ako ngayon. So, sorry kayo, maghihagad. Sunod na lang.
Hiniram ko muna siya. Sige.
Oh, yeah, hiram muna.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Gusto namin magpasalamat kay Sir Leonardo para sa pag-tour sa amin dito sa Gumasa, Glan. And please subscribe to my channel, Glam Arni, and to her channel,
Jorilyn Balabat or Jorilyn B.
Andito kami para makipag-celebrate sa Sarbay Festival 2019. This is the biggest beach festival in the Philippines.
Yes.
So, samahan nyo kami guys. Tara, takpan naman na.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
guys, hanggang dito na lang ang video ko. So I hope nagustuhan nyo. And if you like this video, please hit like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Glam Arni, and to her channel,
Jorilyn Balabat.
and once again, sir, thank you Sir Leonardo, thank you so much for guiding us here in Glan. Thank you so much for welcoming us here. Hope na makasama ka pa namin sa mga iba pang galaan.
Excited ako dyan. Sana.
Hanggang dito lang. Bye-bye! I would like to thank B94 Art Sign Printing Shop for my social media accounts logo, for my printed tees and customized cap. B94 Art Sign Printing Shop offers t-shirt printing services, photocopy, scanning, PVC card, mug printing, layouting, photo printing. They also have Magic Mag. Their shop is located in Sampaloc Street, Barangay West, General Santos City. For inquiries, you may contact Sir Sander Gonzalez at 0998-3532-4719 or email rednessgonzalez@gmail.com.